What is going on, everybody? So a little bit of another different video today. Basically, as you can see, for the lockdown, my hair's getting a bit long and it's a bit of a mess actually, and it's not in the best condition anyway. If you've seen me dad, CosWeDad and CosWeGrandad, they haven't got any hair, and I think I'll be heading that way soon anyway. So I've basically said to CosWeDad that he's got free will and that he can try and give me head a bit of a sharpen and cut my hair. So this should be interesting to say the least, to see what he's got planned. I've got a funny feeling I know what's going to happen anyway. Wish us luck. I didn't want the screen on, I didn't want to see. What are you getting?
I've got an idea.
Alright.
I'll just cut round that. That's a good look.
Well, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. I'm glad you took that off.
Right.
It feels like there's still hair there when you do it. Is there still a bit there, like, or not?
Nah.
No.
You can't get skinhead now, mate.
Go on then. Let it go back. I don't even know if I want it to go back, to be fair.
Are you getting in on this right, man, now? Wait, now we're cutting all your hair off, she wants in on it.
What, you're taking photos and that, like?
Yeah.
And videos? That's not fair. Well, at least get the side he's doing, because that looks like I've got a bloody bowl cut.
I'll do it each stage.
Oh. See, I think it'll look good, like you say, in a few days. I'll have to go and sit in the sunlight, because I'll have like
you would like.
a white heat, won't I?
Yeah.
I'll have to put some like fake tan on my head or something. Yeah, I tell you what, it feels like $1 million, like.
This is why I like mine like this.
Feels like refreshing.
Alright, do you want to leave like that? Keep it quiet.
Yeah, wait a minute. Oh, I think that looks good.
Hang on, wait a minute.
Hang on.
You look like a piggy blinder now, Alan.
Like a peaky blinder.
Oh, what are you supposed to say then?
Well, at least I'm giving you some entertainment anyway.
So we'll just keep that bit on, man? Give it a minute.
No, how about you just can't
Yeah.
leave us like that.
You look like a proper gangster.
No, I didn't. I look like a complete idiot.
Right, are you in for this bit?
Oh, this is the bit that hurts. Oh,
See, it feels like I've still got like a bit of hair at the front. That's a good sign.
oh, I like it.
This was you 2 minutes ago that didn't want us to do it.
I didn't say that. You just need some conditioner on.
Conditioner, I've got no hair.
You need a bit.
Moisturiser.
Moisturiser, I see.
Well, obviously my hair's never been this short in bloody God knows how long. Ah, you Jesus
stay
Christ,
still,
man.
man. Put your head forward.
Oh, it feels lush, that. Do that again. Hey, that actually feels really nice, you know. It does. See, you could have a barber's CosWeDad's mastery of having a baldy head. What do you mean, come round this way? I'm sitting on the bloody chair.
It's Bob's chair, look. You've gone now from 25 to 22.
Do I look younger?
Oh, aye.
Do I?
I think you do.
Oh, I should have done this bloody
Because
years
you
ago.
don't look like that.
Do you like it?
Looks much better. 1,000 times better.
There we go, people. It's all done. I'm now officially an egg. Do you know what? I'm just looking at myself on this on the little preview screen. I really like it. I really do like it. I had short hair when I was younger and I've never had it for years. But I don't think it looks that bad. I'm quite enjoying it actually. I think if it grows in a little bit, nearly looking like Jason Statham, aren't I really? Joking. I think CosWeDad actually, he's done a really good job. He obviously is the expert. If you've seen him, you've seen his hairline. He's an expert at these kind of hairdos. He's just told us that he's going to start his own barbers and he's taking bookings, so if anyone wants to chop all their hair off, then he's taking bookings. Let us know. It was all just a bit of fun really, and a bit of a change in this lockdown. Bit of a laugh, lightens the mood up. I needed a haircut. Thought I'd just let CosWe Dad do what he wanted really, and to be fair, he did try and maybe he's like just trim it a bit, you know, around the sides and do a proper do, but on the top and at the back where my hair grows in, it was getting a bit worse for wear, to be honest. So I think this was the right thing to do. And do you know what? I really like it. I do actually really like it. It's growing on us the more and more I see it. Well done, CosWe Dad. Fantastic job on absolutely blitzing me bonnet. I keep rubbing my head because I'm not used to it, and it just feels weird and really nice actually. I know there's probably loads of people done this like recently, just down to the lockdown situation, but he didn't even have a proper guard as well, so I was just going to go for like a 2 or a 3 or something like that, or a 4 over, but he doesn't have a guard for his hair trimmers. He just does a no guard all over, so didn't really have a choice either. It was either this or some sort of butchered haircut that probably would look worse. Sometimes change is good, do you know what I mean? And no matter how things are going, whether it's in the world right now or in your life or whatever like that, sometimes you need a change, do you know what I mean? Sometimes you've got to just get out your comfort zone a bit. You guys will probably think I look like an idiot, which is fine because obviously you don't see us every day, and it's a bit of a change from what you're used to seeing. Luckily it's not very bright outside at the minute, so I'll not be blinding any of yous with me baldy head. Hey, I'm still getting used to this, like, it's class. Love it. Short little video, just to hopefully entertain yous and maybe take your mind off things that's going on at the minute, and also just so next time I post a video you don't get a shock that I've got no hair. I just want to say as well a massive thank you to everybody who's been watching the videos recently. The subscriber count and everything's kind of going, well, skyrocketing. Not in comparison to some, but for me it seems like it's getting more and more every day. The videos seem to be getting really good responses, so thanks to everybody who subscribed. There's plenty more videos to come, don't you worry about that. It's not going to beat everybody's taste, I understand that, but what can you do? You can't please everybody, can you? I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this silly little video. I hope it's give you a little bit of a giggle, and if you've had a laugh at me hair, then brilliant. Subscribe for more videos, stay tuned, like the video if you've enjoyed it. If you haven't, leave a thumbs down. Leave a comment down below as well, let us know what you think. Have a fantastic week, people. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.